Oh, so nice and peaceful. It's 1 o'clock and I'm finished in the garden, just about. As always, there's one more thing to do. This year's California poppies, they are very, very happy yellow blooms. And winter and springtime, they'll be self-seeding and they'll be giving some lovely color in here. It's one of the grow bags that's sunken, and I'm planning on putting in more lavender. So I'll show you the lavender that side that's doing okay, and just doing some autumn cleanup, pruning and cleaning the space here. And then we've planted the windbreak kapokbos and the wild rose, which is wild rosemary, as well as brain sali, which is brown sage. Yeah, so that's what it looks like there. Just some finishing up to do, which is talking about Shirley poppies and California poppies. So Shirley poppy, and this is from my seed saving stash. It says there, sow in autumn, and these are gathered in 2019 last year. The regional was 2016 from Belleville, as well as some garland chrysanthemums. Also sow in autumn, and these come from Korea, and these are received in June 2019, and that is from Soil for Life's Home Gardener Club here in Steenberg. So super thank you. And the garland chrysanthemums, they're a bit of a weed in the area, but guess what? These guys are edible. So here's one that's self-seeded, and they have that fantastic yellow button daisy with the white petals. They're about 50 centimeter high, and yes, the more the merrier. Also for lopping and dropping mulching. And yeah, so this is one of the newer lavenders that I put in the grow bag, which is sunken in here. And then one that's done very well is this side. This bush here is goldenberry, which is Cape gooseberry, and in here is the lavender bush. This lavender bush is 2 years old, and I told you about the southeaster that scores, that comes tearing through here. So these quite low, and since the hegelkultuur hill's been put in, this one's improved quite a bit. So yeah, I need to do some weeding. There's grass, and yeah, just a basic autumn cleanup and get everybody eager to put in their last spurt of growth before winter sets in. So what I'm planning on doing with the rest of the really lovely compost, I'm going to be sowing the seeds, which is the garland chrysanthemums as well as Shirley poppies. And yeah, so that the Shirley poppies I hope will go in there. They're going to be a bit tall, so yes, let's hope and get back to you in a couple of months to let you know how that goes. So what you're looking at here is klipdacha, and I'm thinking maybe I should ask the neighborhood, those that are cigarette addicts, and seeing as sale of cigarettes have been stopped during lockdown, because this is the cigarette bush and you can actually smoke this. It's a mild mint, and yeah, it should cut down the cravings. And yes, in pepper ground cover, look how nicely that's filled in. And I've got the klipdacha, they've self-seeded and they're popping up in between there, which is very nice. And yes, hopefully there'll be this nice row of klipdacha, which is one in the Leonitis family. I can't remember which one, but I think it is the lion's ear. Yeah, so this one is lion's ear. So let me get to it. I'm hungry. Chat to you later. Bye.